Hello. So sorry about this week. Probably one of the programs on the PBS that I really love. It's Storm Chasers, and as probably the followers of that incredible, thrilling program would know, three of the leaders of that program were killed in an unexpected tornado in Oklahoma. We are again being so sad about this sad news about this disaster that it happened. Tim Samaras and his son Paul Samaras and another cameraman called Carl Young. They were killed on Friday while they were following a tornado in El Reno, Oklahoma. They were doing that for the CNN on Sunday, and they tried to get as close as possible. If you watch the program in the past, you would know that they get in the very dangerous, risky zone. They get very very close to the epicentrum of the tornado, and they were inside the car. The tornado just dragged the car, and they all three they were dead. I'm so sorry. I watch every week the program. I watch only this program on TV because this kind of uncertainty that you find in the tornadoes or hurricanes. It amazed me, but now it scares me to death. I mean, I'm so sorry for family Samaras. I don't know what to say. Sorry about that. I wish that all the entertainment world shows respect to those people who were taking big risks to show us things that are very 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 difficult and very. I mean, there's no chances to watch that from that close. Sorry about that, Tim, Paul, and Carl. Big kiss. Regards to the families, all our love and all our support.